Hello, welcome to Stepping Stones. Today we're going to look at something special. Do you know what is on May 15th? It's Teacher's Day in Korea. One of the traditions we have on Teacher's Day, as well as Father's and Mother's Day, is we give a gift with carnations to teachers we want to thank to. When we think of the word teacher in Korean usually would think of the word 선생님. We use the letter 님 to call someone in polite and respectful way. It's one of the common words that is used in internet or games by itself or by attaching it to the name or nickname of other users whom you want to call. So, word 선생 itself can mean teacher, but by adding 님 to 선생, the word teacher in Korean becomes much more polite. There's another word in Korean that has meaning of teacher in English, which is 스승님. Those two words are defined same in English, but they are defined slightly different from each other in Korean. 선생님 is defined as a teacher who only taught knowledge of the subject that they teach, whereas 스승님 is defined as a teacher who taught not just the knowledge of their subject, but also wisdom for their students to live better life. So, 스승님 is a teacher who taught knowledge for his or her students and also made an influence on their students' lives positively. Did you know that Teacher's Day in Korea was actually on May 26th? The date of Teacher's Day was changed to May 15th in 1965. The reason for that is because May 15th is Great King Sejong's birthday. Great King Sejong created language Korean, and his invention allowed everyone, including those who were illiterate, in Korea to start reading and writing in a form of language. So, this new language made people to start communicating very actively, which in return allowed Korea to develop in almost every direction, such as culture, education, and more. Teacher's Day was moved to Great King Sejong's birthday to commemorate his dedication to help and educate his people to live better life by creating language Korean. Having such 스승님 in life to show appreciation to is a true and happy gift that one could have. If you have someone whom you consider to be your 스승님, why don't you show your appreciation to him or her today? As for us, we'll try our best to become 스승님 of Korean to help anyone who is willing to do well with Korean in their life. That's it for today's video. Happy Teacher's Day for everyone, and happy birthday to Great King Sejong. Thank you.